In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new section in Microsoft OneNote. Sections are a great way to organize your notebooks, helping you separate topics, projects, or categories so your notes remain structured and easy to navigate. To start, open Microsoft OneNote and go to the notebook where you want to add a new section. Make sure your notebook is fully loaded so all menus and tools are available. Once you're ready, look at the top of your notebook window where existing sections are displayed as tabs. These tabs represent the different sections of your notebook. Next, click on the small plus icon, usually labeled Add Section or New Section, located near the Section tabs. A new Section tab will appear, ready for you to name it. Type in a descriptive name that clearly indicates the purpose of the section, such as Meeting Notes, Projects, or Research. This helps you quickly identify the section when navigating your notebook. After naming your new section, press Enter to save it. Your section is now created and ready to use. You can start adding pages within this section to organize your notes. Each page can hold text, images, tables, or other content, allowing you to structure your information efficiently. If you want to further customize your section, right-click on the Section tab to see additional options. You can change the section color, move it to a different position within the notebook, or even password protect it for added security. Changing colors is especially helpful for visually distinguishing between sections, making your notebook more intuitive and easy to scan. Creating sections in OneNote is a simple but powerful way to keep your notes organized. Whether you're managing work projects, school notes, or personal information, well-structured sections help you access the content you need quickly and keep everything in order. And that's it. You've successfully created a new section in OneNote, giving your notebook a clear structure and making it easier to organize and find your notes. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.